Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this rectangular shape as you can see in this diagram, such that this side length is 15 units, whereas this side length is 9 units. And moreover, these line segments are equal in length, and these line segments are equal in length as well. Now we are going to calculate the area of this shape. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. We know that this side length is 15, and since these side lengths are equal in length, so therefore this side length is going to be 15. This side length is going to be 15, and this side length is going to be 15 as well. And moreover, this line segment and this line segment, they are equal in length. If this is 9, this has got to be 9 as well. And here's our next step. In order to make our job easier, I have subdivided this shape into 4 rectangles, as you can see in this diagram, by drawing these auxiliary lines. And now let's recall the area of a rectangle formula. Area equals to length times width. Now let's focus on this rectangle. Our length is 15 and our width is 9 units. So therefore let's go ahead and multiply them. 15 times 9 is going to give us 135 square units. Now let's focus on this rectangle. Our length is 15 and the width is 9. So the area is going to be 15 times 9 equals to 135 square units. Now let's focus on this square. Our dimensions are 15 and 15. So the area is going to be 15 times 15 equals to 225 square units. Now let's focus on this remaining rectangle. Our length is, this part is 15 units, and our width, this one, is 9. So therefore the area of this rectangle is going to be 15 times 9 is going to give us 135 square units. And now we are going to find the total area of this given shape by adding up all these individual areas. Therefore the total area is going to be 135 plus 135 plus 135 plus 225, and if we add these numbers, that is going to give us 630 square units. So thus the total area of this given shape turns out to be 630 square units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.